back in action on Mo's Vet. Right, Scotty?
Yes!
Okay, cool. Putting the Choke Me Harder Daddy on. And just testing everything. There is a bind, and it's on the driver's side. I need to see what's going on here. Because I can push past it, but it's really sticky. So I need to see what the hell's going on over here. Okay, so it's just on the fast idle screw, because it's fucking way in there. Because that's where it's hitting, you can see. So this goes and tells me that this is obviously in further than we'd want it. The regular idle speed screw. Which tells me I think we were compensating for a vacuum leak or something along those lines. This is fun. So I'm going to loosen that up and get everything to function properly down there. And then I'll get that adjusted. And when we fire the car up, these are way, way out, like way rich at idle, which again would be compensating for a vacuum leak. So I'm sure once I fire it up and we have all of the known vacuum sources handled and situated, we will play Let's Find the Leak. Everybody's favorite game! Yeah, it works right. Imagine that. Obviously, we're going to have to adjust completely baseline from the get-go. But it'll be better. Alright, so functioning choke. Well, that's on the spring, so. Okay, hang on, Scotty. I'll be there to shoot video on that car. But got my ground all nice. It made a little coily, made it nice. Ground all nice, everything's tight. Our positive is on. I just have to wire this in to our harness to a keyed positive. But there we are. It's gonna actually work.